Hey guys, it's Brittany. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're a returner, then what's up? So today we are going to be doing a plan with me for June the 17th through June the 23rd. I think that I'm gonna go with some beach vibes. So I came across this cute accessory pack at Hobby Lobby, and I was just thinking it would be cute to do some beach vibes. I'm not going to the beach or anything, but I love the beach. So I felt like, why not bring that into my planner? I also pulled out fun florals because there are some tropical flower stickers in there that I might add to this spread to go along with the beach vibes. So if you want to see what I create, then just keep watching. Here we go with this X-Acto knife again. I'm going to be careful. My finger is still hurting. And for those who don't know, I'm saying my finger's still hurting because I cut my finger in the last video. And yeah, it hurts pretty bad. So I ended up having to put my homemade band-aid back on because my finger started bleeding again. Crazy, right? So I have these sticky notes here. So I'm gonna add these to cover up the dates. I love that. I'm gonna go ahead and add my dates now. I am going to go ahead and open this, and we're gonna start putting down some stickers, guys. So I love this Just Go With The Flow. And I am going to add that right here on Monday. These blues and greens are beautiful in this sticker book. I definitely love this Seize the Day. So I'm gonna take this out because I'm gonna use this as my note card, my journaling card in this spread. Here is a lovely to-do list. So I'm gonna grab this to-do list, but I also saw these that I'm gonna pair with it. So to tie in this coral color, I'm gonna put my to-do list, I think, right here. Oh no, let's put it on Thursday. Just move it over. Put it on the next page. This says relax, refresh, recharge, and then you have also a good vibes. I like kind of this relax, refresh, recharge. I'm gonna add that on the weekend. I like this sticker as well. I think that I'm gonna get my X-Acto knife and cut it, and we can put some of it in the corners. I'm gonna use this just because it has a straight edge so that we can cut it. I'm gonna add some different colors, so I'm gonna add this Friday, and we might even can use this bottom piece as a little contrast. Just go like that, kind of. Cute. how that is right there. And to bring some of this warmth to this page, I'm going to pick this Be Happy sticker right here. So I decided to go with Tuesday, put that there, and bring this color to that page. So here is a remember box. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up, and I think instead of saying remember, I'm gonna put this to-do sticker over top of it. So I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna have to pull out the whiteout, so you can see that. You can definitely see the remember over it or through the other sticker. So I'm just gonna wipe that out, and I'm gonna put a to-do here. I decided to look in the Wrong and Happy Planner seasonal book to see if I saw like a girl in a swimsuit that I wanted to add, and I came across her, and I feel like she could kind of go with this theme. She does have on gold accessories, so there's a little bit of a conflict. I could look in this book and see. Let's see. So we do have this girl. She totally matches. She matches with the theme. And then I also have in the smaller section this planner girl right here. Maybe we'll go with this one. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and find some little icons that I can put down to kind of like use as like checklists and check boxes. So I think I'm gonna use these little icons to use as bullet points, and then I have some hearts in here. We have some arrows, so I'm gonna use some of those. This says go for it, and I think I'll add that. Alright guys, so I think that I'm gonna call it quits right here. This spread does not have a lot going on. I still need to go across and cut the tops off and glue those down, but I don't have the glue right now, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. But I am happy with how it turned out. I really wish I was at the beach, but I'm not, and it's okay because I have this planner to remind me of all the things that I could be doing at the beach and giving me some beach vibes. So if you're new to my channel, I hope that you consider subscribing. I would like for you all to like, comment, and make sure you turn that notification bell on so that you don't miss a video every time I upload. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!